teman-teman, masih kembali bersama gue Billy Samuel dan ini sama lo sebagai kameramen di channel YouTube Extreme Motorsport teman-teman. Seperti yang bisa kalian lihat di belakang kita ini banyak pameran, kita lagi di Gaikindo Indonesia International Auto Show. Sekarang kita mau keliling-keliling dulu gimana nuansa atmosfer yang ada di sini teman-teman. Yuk kita cek tahu.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all yours. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on.
Kasih tambahan.
Oh enggak, ini otomatis.
Oh ya,
Tuh ada tombolnya tuh.
Oh iya loh. Mantap.
Ya nonton nih.
Ya, sampai jumpa.
Can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe